Timetable. Timetable.
I check the flight timetable to see when my flight is scheduled to depart.
Check-in. Check-in.
I need to go to the check-in counter to get my boarding pass before I can board my flight.
Self-check-in. Self-check-in.
I prefer to use self-check-in because it's faster and more convenient than waiting in line at the counter. Where is
Timetable. Timetable.
What is this?
Check-in. Terminal. Terminal.
My flight leaves from Terminal 2.
Boarding time. Boarding time.
My boarding time is at 1:30 p.m., so I need to be at the gate before that time.
Flight. Flight.
My flight to New York is delayed.
Delay. Delay.
When a flight is late because of bad weather or other problems, this is called a delay. Which one is
Boarding time. Boarding time.
What is this?
Self-check-in. Boarding pass. Boarding pass.
I printed my boarding pass before arriving at the airport.
Cancelled. Cancelled.
My flight has been cancelled due to bad weather.
Duty-free. Duty-free.
I like to shop at the duty-free stores at the airport to get some souvenirs and gifts for my friends and family. Where is
Boarding pass. Boarding pass.
What is this?
Terminal. Business lounge. Business lounge.
I have access to the business lounge with my first-class ticket.
Waiting room. Waiting room.
I'm going to wait for my flight in the airport waiting room.
Gate. Gate.
I need to go to gate A1 for my flight to Los Angeles.
Airplane. Airplane.
We flew on an airplane to visit our grandparents in another town. What is this?
Delay.
Where is
Gate. Gate. Boarding. Boarding.
Boarding for Flight 123 is now open.
Departure. Departure.
When a flight leaves the airport and takes off, it's called a departure. My departure time is at 3:45 p.m.
Runway. Runway.
The plane is about to take off from the runway. What is this?
Business lounge.
Where is?
Airplane. Airplane. Takeoff. Takeoff.
The plane will take off in a few minutes.
Landing. Landing.
We'll be landing in Tokyo in about 2 hours.
Arrival. Arrival.
When a flight reaches its destination and lands, it's called an arrival. The arrival time for my flight is 8:30 p.m.
Baggage allowance. Baggage allowance.
My baggage allowance is 1 checked bag and 1 carry-on. What is this?
Takeoff.
Which one is?
Arrival. Arrival. Carry on. Carry on.
A carry-on is a small bag or suitcase that you can take with you on the plane as hand luggage.
Luggage. Luggage.
I need to pick up my luggage at luggage claim.
Luggage claim. Luggage claim.
My luggage should be on the carousel at luggage claim. What is this?
Runway.
Where is?
Departure. Departure. Visa. Visa.
I need to apply for a visa before traveling to India.
Custom. Custom.
I have to go through customs and immigration before leaving the airport.
Security. Security.
I have to go through security before boarding my flight.
Pilot. Pilot.
The pilot will make an announcement shortly. What is this?
Carry on.
Where is?
Custom. Custom. Crew. Crew.
The crew is preparing the plane for departure.
Flight attendant. Flight attendant.
The flight attendant brought me a pillow and blanket to make me more comfortable during the long flight.
Cabin. Cabin.
I'm seated in the economy cabin of the plane. What is this?
Luggage.
Which one is?
Landing. Landing. Seat. Seat.
I need to find my 28C seat on the plane.
Travel pillow. Travel pillow.
I always bring a travel pillow with me on long flights so that I can sleep more comfortably.
Jet lag. Jet lag.
Jet lag is a feeling of tiredness and disorientation that some people experience after traveling across different time zones.
Air traffic control. Air traffic control.
Air traffic control told the pilot to wait before taking off because there was another plane on the runway. What is this?
Security.
Where is?
Seat. Seat. Jet bridge. Jet bridge.
The jet bridge is a covered walkway that connects the plane to the airport terminal.
Air-stair. Air-stair.
Air stairs are movable steps that passengers use to board or disembark from a plane parked away from the terminal.
Elevator. Elevator.
Take the elevator to the third floor to reach the airport restaurant. Where is?
Air-stair. Air-stair.
What is this?
Jet bridge. Escalator. Escalator.
Take the escalator up to the departure lounge.
Travelator. Travelator.
The travelator helped me get to my gate quickly, even though it was at the other end of the terminal.